Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Scribble. EO. This fun online game involves players taking turns drawing a secret word, while others try to guess it. Each round, one person draws from a choice of 3 words, and everyone else types their guesses into the chat. If you guess correctly, you and the artist earn points. The game typically lasts for a set number of rounds, usually around 3 to 5, or until a score target is met. When it's your turn to draw, focus on clarity. Think about using simple shapes and distinct lines to convey your word. If the word is complex, try to break it down into its core elements. Remember to use the various colors and brush sizes to add detail or emphasize parts of your drawing. A good drawing helps everyone guess quickly, earning you more points. Avoid writing out letters, it's about visual communication. As a guesser, your goal is to decipher the drawing as fast as possible. Watch the artist's strokes carefully. Sometimes the first few lines give a big clue. Consider common objects or actions that fit the emerging picture. Don't forget to use the hint letters that appear. They can significantly narrow down your options. Typing your guesses quickly is key, as only the first few correct guesses receive the most points. For a more personalized experience, you can create private rooms and invite friends. This allows you to use custom word lists, adding a unique twist to your games. As you play more, you'll notice that observing other players' partial guesses in the chat can sometimes help you refine your own. Practicing your drawing skills, even outside the game, can make you a faster and clearer artist. Experiment with the various brush tools to discover your favorite way to draw.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.